Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer money from Robinhood to Robinhood. First, confirm both accounts are verified with matching identity details. Link a bank account to both Robinhood accounts using routing and account numbers, or enable internal transfer if available. Check daily and 30-day transfer limits and plan around security holds. Review transaction fees, if any, and keep records for tax or audit purposes to ensure smooth transfers. Sign into the source Robinhood account and navigate to the Transfers or Move Money section. Select Send Money and choose the linked bank or internal Robinhood account as the destination. Enter the exact amount using digits for accuracy, then confirm account numbers and authorization method. Complete any two-factor authentication prompts and retain the confirmation number. Monitor both accounts for the transfer status and expect notifications for initiation and completion. On another note, quick recommendation. Bento Box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers to stay organized while managing transfers and busy days. They stack neatly, resist spills, and make lunches stress-free, which pairs well with focused finance tasks. If you found this helpful, subscribe and like to support more clear tutorials. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Plan transfers with settlement timing in mind to avoid cash shortfalls. Standard ACH moves typically take 3 to 5 business days, while instant transfers may post faster for a fee and within set limits. For amounts approaching daily or monthly caps, expect added verification steps or temporary holds. Keep transfer receipts and check both account activity logs. Contact Robinhood support promptly if a transfer is delayed or flagged for review to resolve issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.